Here is an item of daily use that you often find on your breakfast table. A simple loaf of bread reaches you as a result of several different activities. The story of a loaf of bread begins with a farmer growing wheat in his field. The wheat produced by the farmer is ground and processed into flour at a flour mill. The flour is baked into bread in a bread factory. The bread is transported to shops in different parts of a city and reaches your neighborhood shop from where you can buy it. All these activities that involve the production and distribution of products and services are examples of economic activities. Economic activities are classified into three different groups called the primary sector, the secondary sector, and the tertiary sector. Did you know the three-sector hypothesis that divides the economic activities into primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors was developed by Colin Clark, a British economist, and Jean Forestier, a French economist. Activities like agriculture are called primary sector activities. Besides agriculture, primary sector activities include animal husbandry like dairy farming and poultry farms, fishing, mining, and forestry. All primary sector activities use natural resources to produce natural products. Since the largest number of natural products comes from agriculture, the primary sector is also called the agriculture and related sector. Activities that use natural products or other raw material for industrial manufacturing of goods are called secondary sector activities. The secondary sector includes all kinds of manufacturing activities, from food processing to manufacturing of automobiles, garments, and electronics. The secondary sector includes all activities involving the manufacturing of goods in small-scale or large-scale industries. Thus, the secondary sector is also called the industrial sector. Activities that support the manufacturing and distribution of goods produced in the primary and secondary sectors are called tertiary sector activities. Tertiary sector activities include transport and warehousing, retail and wholesale selling, banking and insurance, and communication services. The tertiary sector also includes essential services like education, healthcare, accounting, legal services, law and order, firefighting, and office administration. Tertiary sector activities provide various kinds of services, including the ones that support the production of goods. Thus, the tertiary sector is also called the services sector. Though the activities of the primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors appear quite different, they are interdependent on each other. Let us understand the interdependency of different sectors through the example we used earlier. A failure of wheat crop in the primary sector would affect the production of flour and bread in the secondary sector, leading to reduced supply and availability of bread in the tertiary sector. Similarly, if the transporters go on strike, unsold stock will pile up with the manufacturers, while there will be shortage of goods at the shops.